I bet. Happy birthday to you. And my wish for you is all your dreams come true. And I know you asked me before to sing. I have a song for you. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight I'm gonna swallow my pride. This is a serious song, just for you, Becky. My name is Sue, and I live in the moon, and I came down to earth just to sing you this tune. 'Cause Rebecca, it's your birthday today. A present for you I wanted to find, an outer space creature, a one of a kind, a wild wolf or a cuckoo, an apple drop or a buzzer too. Did you ask what's a cookie do? Well, up in the moon it's nothing new, but that won't do for you. I searched behind the clouds and stars. I even zoomed my bike to Mars. I met my friend the saucer man, and he said, "Hey, Auntie Zoom, I got the bestest plan. What your niece needs is something new. So how about a song from you? And so tonight, when you're in bed, I'll be singing to you, I zoom overhead. Singing, Rebecca, happy birthday. Singing, Rebecca, happy birthday. Singing, Rebecca, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rebecca. See you next year.